we are going to take a look at our big deal from Philips. Now, Philips Sonicare is a household name in wellness, really, right? And now we are talking about the Philips Sonicare Cordless Floss with the Quad Stream, all right? So if your dentist has ever told you, do you floss? You need to floss more. You have to floss. We all know it. It's kind of like diet, right? It's kind of like, oh, well, what are you doing for your diet? How are you losing weight? We all know that eating a lot of protein, grilled chicken, and salad is going to help us lose weight and be more healthier for us, right? We all know that flossing is good for us, but sometimes it's annoying. Sometimes we don't get to it. Sometimes using floss, it breaks and it's messy and it's gross. Well, now Philips brings us this great water flosser, really, right? It's cordless, it's powerful and effective. So 1,700 have been ordered, what, in 4 days. And now I am going to present this to you. Here we have the mint, and we also have the white. Daniela Galdi is with me. Hey, Daniela, welcome. Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you know, this is a big help for a lot of us because, like I said, many people, we know we have to floss, but a lot of people don't do it. Exactly.
Before I started using the flosser, full confession, I was not flossing my teeth. I lied to my dentist. This has kept me consistent and has given me the most improvement. And here's why. In our study, we found that it will remove, our cordless power flosser will remove 99.9% of the plaque biofilm that is on your teeth in the treated areas. Wow. So you're getting 99.9% of clean, that professional feel that usually you wait 6 months for. You get this one time a day, a 60-second clean, and it just feels, you feel satisfied.
It's fantastic.
Yes.
It is satisfying.
Yes.
And this, you do this so you brush your teeth like normal,
you brush your
and
teeth
then
like normal.
you go in with this for a minute.
Exactly, and you mentioned this is better than floss, right? And you mentioned how annoying that can be. Sometimes people have hand issues, it's hard to get in there. So at home, you'll go in through the front, right? Go right along the gums, right? And I'm gonna show you over here though, we've got this on the highest setting. We have our quad stream nozzle, which is big here. So you can see we've got 9 times the coverage that you will get from any other standard nozzle out there. You can see right away it just pushes all of that gunk, all the broccoli that's on the surface, but not only on the surface, what you're doing is you're getting on the pits and pores inside the teeth, right? All along the gum line, you're getting a nice massage there to really blast out anything that's living in there that causes that plaque, that tartar, cavities, bad breath, everything that we don't want to hear from our dentist visit.
So that looks, I mean, for people with braces, this is phenomenal. But there's so many features that literally it's for everyone.
It's for everyone, yeah, absolutely. And that's our quad stream. Again, that's 9 times more coverage than your standard nozzle. We've got that rubber top that feels so nice along the gums. And you'll see that 4-way jet. That is what you're getting. The pressured system is the power in this. That is the power flossing. And you're going to have the best experience in 60 seconds, right? 1 time a day is recommended. In between the braces, you mentioned this. I said to my sister, my nephew just got braces, and I said, did you get the flosser yet? And she said, you know, I really have to, because our clunky one that they have, whatever system they have at home, our clunky one just sits in the basement and doesn't get used. So this one is portable. It's got the USB plug-in. You have any of those little blocks at home, right? We all have a million of them. Your laptop, if you're traveling, you can plug this in. It charges for 14 days.
Great.
One-time use, right?
It comes with the charger, yeah.
It comes with the charger. You get 3 nozzles, Rosine. It's amazing. So you'll get 2 of these. Recommended to switch out every 6 months, so you're good for a year. And you've got that little rubber piece on top that has that 4-way jet, that quad stream pressure.
Okay, and then this one?
So that one is the standard single nozzle, and that's really good. That popcorn kernel on the back of the teeth,
yes.
It sneaks back there, right? That piece of meat that's been lingering for a few days. That one gets all the way in the back, but you can also go around the gum line, and I've really seen a lot of improvement using that one in terms of like in between my teeth, the yellowing that happens. It's
yes.
been so much better.
Okay, so You know, this is reality, and I know that, you know, sometimes we could exaggerate, especially for these videos, to show you, but this is how powerful it is, because if it can do that, that amount of, you know, food stuck in the teeth, imagine what it can do for us. And again, we know, the dentists have told you, they've told us all since we were 5 years old. So if you don't want to do any more of the fighting with it, or ignore it anymore and just say, I don't need to floss, I'm the only human in the world that doesn't need to, well, guess what? Now you can pick this up. It is cordless, it's water resistant, so you can take it into the shower. A lot of people I know brush their teeth in shower and all of that, so you can do it all. It's just a minute a day after you brush your teeth normally, and so you don't have to do it, well, you could do it a million different times a day if you want. But
it has a quad pacer too, so it'll give you 15 seconds each quadrant of the mouth, but I linger back there because it feels really good. But you don't have to. It gives you that clean in 60 seconds. And like you mentioned, you can take it in the shower. You can do it different ways. You can cover it up with the lips if you want a little cleaner experience there. Or you can put mouthwash in there. Get that clean too.
Oh, put mouthwash in there. That's fabulous. All right, so in general, we're saving over $15. Plus, you're going to get the $10 rebate that you just throw this in the mail, and then you are going to get a $10 gift card from Philips that you can use anywhere. So really, it's going to cost you, you're saving $25. So it's a really good one. Everyone should have one in the family. The item number for our big deal is V88011. You get the mint or you get the white from Philips Sonicare, that we know they're the best when it comes to mouth health. Thank you so much, Daniela. And Steve, I am so curious to know about what you are going to present next, because I've never presented it before.
Oh, definitely. And I had never seen this before up until this moment right now. We just brought this in 9 days ago, and it has been wildly popular. This is what we are calling the Simply